I really do love them here.
Are you trying to get a picture?
A video.
Oh, a video.
Mm-hmm.
Right. I said, I just taped on this side.